All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Yesterday, if you recall, we started this new module, the message.sender. Today, we're going to pick up where we left off with some light reading. So let's dive right in. So since we have set the owner of the small contract inside of our constructor, we will set the owner of the contract as soon as we deploy it. This means that whoever sends the transaction that deploys the contract will be the owner of the contract and will be able to withdraw the funds sent to the contract. And this is what the updated small contract looks like. I'll pan over it slowly so you can see this is the contract that we have so far up to date. So this is our contract. Now what we can do is in the withdraw function, we can add another assert statement to check if the caller is the owner of the contract. Let's implement this logic. So this is the logic that we're going to implement into our small contract here. As you can see, this is our withdraw function. These are our doc strings letting us know what the withdraw function is going to do. Here's our assert statement, message.sender equals self.owner. And if it isn't the owner, you're going to get this error message. You are not the owner of this contract. And then what we're going to do is when we do a withdrawal, we're going to send all of the funds from the contract to the owner. You can see self.owner. And this is the balance that we're going to send, self.balance, letting us know this is the amount we're going to send from the contract. We want everything from the contract to go to the sender's wallet. So that's what we're going to leave it at for now. Tomorrow we will pack up. We should be wrapping this module up tomorrow, so we're going to pick it up. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.